All right, in this training video, I want to walk you guys through the steps, okay, for you to build a 10K per month digital business, okay, and scale it to 6-figure or even 7 figures, okay? So whether you are brand new, right, you are still working on getting your first sale for your online business, or if you are already making 10K, 20K per month, you want to scale to 50K per month, right? There are a couple elements you got to have, okay, inside your business. So I want to explain it in a very simple way, right? So if you are brand new, you have no clue how to make money online, right? This is for you, okay? So let me break it down. It's actually only 3 simple steps to start with, okay? So let's talk about this. You need 3 things, okay, to have a successful business. I'm talking about whether that's online business, offline business, right? Whether that's a restaurant, whether that's a food truck, whether that's the brick and mortar business, right? You mainly need to have 3 things, okay? Number 1 will be an offer that can solve your ideal customer's problem, right? For example, I'm selling a make money online coaching program, right? So I solve my ideal customer's problem of not making enough money, right? And their problem of not knowing where to start to build a successful online business, right? So I have an offer to solve that type of problem, okay? If you are a restaurant, right, then your problem is to, let's say I have a Chinese restaurant, right? Then the problem I'm solving is people who are craving for the Chinese food, right? So you got to have an offer that which is your product, okay? So number 1 will be your product, right? Having a product that can solve your ideal customer's problem. Number 2, what do you need? You need to have people walk into your door, right? So you need to have leads, okay? So the second thing here, I would just say leads, okay? You know what? Need leads like this. Number 3 thing you need is a sales process. Okay, when people walk into your restaurant, right? What's your process? For example, you might have a waiter or waitress to sit customer down, right? Then serve the menu, then take the order, right? What's your sales process, right? You got to have a sales process in order to turn leads, people who walk into your door, then come out from the other side as a sale, as the money in your bank. What's your sales process? So you need these 3 things, okay? Whether you are doing offline business or online business, right? Does that make sense? Now, if we understand this, let's talk about online business, digital marketing business, right? Sell your digital products or for other people's digital products, okay? In this scenario, right, what are those 3 steps, okay? Let's say you are just starting today. Pay attention to this, okay? Digital business in 3 steps, okay? So step number 1, if you have gone through our webinar, right, the free training, you should understand these 3 steps, okay? If you haven't gone through this webinar yet, but you really want to generate results like what you see me and Nate are doing on a daily basis, right? Click the link down below in the video description, okay? If you are watching this video, right now, click down below, then go through this training, free training, okay? 3 steps. Make sure you understand that 3 steps first, okay? Because step number 1, right? Step number 1 will be pick a product, okay? Pick a product. Let me see, 3 step, right? Step number 1, remember we say, do you have a product? Do you have an offer, right, to solve your ideal customer's problem? So step number 1 is to find a product, right? Whether you want to create your own or like in our own program, right? Our members just take our offer, then sell it as their own. Okay, so you can simply leverage other people's products, right, without you creating anything. So regardless what product you want to sell, number 1 is to find a product, okay? And there are so many products out there. If you are brand new, okay, when you are brand new, let's say I start from scratch today, nobody know me on social media, I have 0 following, right? And sometimes I might don't want to show, I might not want to show my face, right? I have nothing. When you have nothing, right, you want to focus on selling high ticket. What's high ticket? Okay, high ticket means you get paid, okay? At least $1,000 per sale. This is your money, okay? Your profit. Why do you want to sell high ticket instead of the cheap product? Because I don't know what your income goal is, okay? Let's just say $10,000 per month. If you are selling $10, $20 ebook, right? How many sales do you have to make in order to hit 10K in 30 days? Let's say I'm selling a $10 ebook. I need to sell 1,000 copies in 30 days, right? Which is nearly impossible for beginner who doesn't have a following. All right. But if every sale, right, pays me $1,000, I only need to have 10 sales, 10 sales for me to hit my $10,000 a month. That's relatively easy. Okay. So if you are brand new, right, make sure you start from high ticket. Once you know how to do it, then feel free to add other offers into your business. Okay. Once you master selling high ticket, you know the process, then while you're building your following, you can start offer other lower ticket products, right? Tools, resources, ebook. Okay. But you have to start from high ticket. That's step number one. Does that make sense to you? Once you have step number one, right? For people who are in our program, they can pretty much take our product and sell it as their own, and all the payments go to them directly. So they make 100% profits, okay? So they can skip the product creation process. Step number two will be, okay, remember we say you need to have a leads, and also you need to have a sales process, right? Step number two will be design, create your sales process first, okay? So step number two will be create your sales process, okay? And in the affiliate marketing space or digital marketing space, right? This is, we do it on automation, okay? So this we also call automated sales process, right? What's this? This is your funnel. This is your email follow-ups, okay? So step number two, right? When you go through this training, let's take a look, okay? So step number two is how to automate your business, right? So what's the automated sales process looks like, okay? So let me show you. You see this diagram right here, right? These are the pages, okay, that we use to sell our digital product, okay? So this page, the first page is called opt-in page, right? You offer something valuable for free in exchange people's email, okay? So this is what we call landing page. Just go through this training, you will learn everything, okay? Landing page. Once they put in their email will be added into our email system automatically. Then they will be sent to the second page to watch this presentation, this webinar, okay, to understand, right, to receive the value. Some of them, once they see the training, they know this is for them. They will click the button, then go to the order form page, then purchase the product. We make money, right? But most of people, if this is their first time to see your training, to see your offer, right? Most people will not buy the first time they see it, right? Because they have to know you more. They have to really, they might have some questions, right? So we use auto email follow-up, okay, on autopilot. All these are pre-designed email, have been created already. So whoever put in the email on our system, they will receive follow-up emails, okay? Keep nurturing them, sending them back to the order page, right? Then they will get convert over time automatically without me doing nothing, okay? So this is the entire automated sales process. So question is, how can you create an automated sales process like this, okay? So when you are in our program, right, especially for new beginners, okay, right now we are doing this 0 to 10K fast track, okay? When you go to this module, you want to make sure you start from here, because the very first step will be helping you create, okay? Pick a software you like to use, then launch your automated sales system. Depending on the level of automation you want to achieve for your business, okay? You can use paid software or you can use free software, and also all the templates, right? have been done for you. Okay, you just need to make your choice, then import the template, everything, then boom, your automated sales process is created. So that's step number 2. Okay, make sure you go through the training and set up your system. Once you set up your system, then our step number 3, right, will be leads. How do we get leads to visit your automated sales process? Okay, how do we get leads to visit this automated sales process, right? And that's when we start from doing Facebook. Okay, and we're gonna do TikTok or IG. Okay, why do we start from Facebook, right? Every social media platform works. All right, you can do TikTok, hit 7-figure. You can do Instagram, hit 7-figure. You can do Facebook, only hit 7-figure, right? But which one is the best for beginners? Okay, if you don't know this already, right, since they all work, why do we start from Facebook? Because Facebook is the only platform that social media has gathered your targeted ideal customer in the same room for you. Comparing to TikTok, IG, you are publishing content every single day and hope algorithm will show your content to the ideal prospects you are looking for, right? But in reality, people who see your TikTok video, IG videos, right, they are cold leads. Okay, cold leads means it takes longer time to nurture them. Okay, it takes more skill to convert them into paying customer. Versus I'm a beginner, right? But what if I can find people who are already actively looking for a similar solution as the one I'm selling? If I can find that crowd, don't you think that's easier for you to make sale when you can talk to people who are already looking for a similar solution like yours in order to fix their problem? Answer is absolutely. Okay, so you got to start from the lowest hanging fruits, which is on Facebook. Okay, and the reason why I say Facebook is the only platform, social media platform, actually do the work for you already. Facebook already put your ideal customers into the same room, okay, which is Facebook groups. Let's say I want to sell a weight loss supplement. I need to find people who want to lose weight. All I need to do is just hop on Facebook, type in, search weight loss Facebook groups, fitness Facebook groups. Then Facebook will give me all those Facebook groups in that niche. What kind of people will join those Facebook groups? Either they are selling weight loss products or they are interested in losing weight. So if I want to sell my weight loss product, I definitely join those Facebook groups. Okay, that's why you want to start from Facebook. Once you get that down, then we can start doing short form video content, pull in additional traffic, scale your business faster. All right, you got to do this in the right sequence. Otherwise, you are simply just shooting in the dark, and hopefully you will make a sale. Okay, do it this way. Okay, so step number 3, right, in our training, we actually explained this already. Why do you want to get your first 300 targeted customers or leads on Facebook? Then you can scale using TikTok, IG. Then once you hit consistent 10K per month, then we can start scaling through ads. Okay, if you missed this training, click the link down below, go through our webinar, okay, to learn this first. But if you are inside our program, if you are just brand new, now you understand these 3 simple steps. Okay, step number 1, find a product which you already have. Step number 2, create your automated sales process, right? Go through this training, then make your pick. Do you want to use free software or do you want to use paid software? They both work. Make your pick, then import our templates. Okay, get it set up. If you really follow the training, you should have your system ready to go within the same day. Okay, once you have your system ready, right, then step number 3 will be, how can I find leads to have them visit my system, visit my website, so they can put in their email, so my automated system can do the work for me, right? By going through this 10K fast track training step by step, you're gonna learn everything. All right, so that's how you should get started. I hope you guys have the concept right now. 3 simple steps to start with, okay? 3 simple steps. Number 1, find the product, right? Let's say you want to promote other companies' product, which is great, okay? Same process. Find that product or create your own, right? Number 2, create your automated sales process, right? Inside our program, it's all done for you, okay? Just follow the training, then get it set up within the same day. Number 3, start getting leads on social media and bring them to your business. 3 simple steps. All right. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and make sure you join our coaching call, especially for people who have questions, okay? Because it's very hard for me and any of our coaches to coach you by messaging back and forth. Jump on coaching call, okay? And we don't mind to show you how we deal with the same challenge that you are dealing with right now, and show you step by step, right? Just like how I'm doing right now, show you right in front of your eyes, okay? But in order for us to do that, you have to jump on coaching calls. So when you go to calendar, right, you have access to all these coaching calls, okay? Pick the best date for yourself, then just simply go to that date, right? Go to that date. Then here's the Zoom link for you to attend our coaching call. All right, let's go.